Every precise formula begins with materials drawn patiently from the earth. Raw elements are guided forward, measured before transformation begins.
From living fields comes the freshness people trust every morning.
Care begins long before processing, at the moment of harvest. Different origins, one destination. Precision manufacturing awaits. Movement connects extraction to purpose, distance to design. Every rotation carries hours of human effort forward.
Raw materials arrive where control replaces nature. Precision begins with verification.
Inside these walls, raw becomes refined.
The boundary between outside and process is carefully controlled.
Alignment ensures nothing is left to chance.
Heavy materials move slowly, guided by trained hands. Even delicate ingredients follow disciplined paths. From this point on, systems take control.
Before precision, there is purification.
Uniformity begins at the smallest scale.
Freshness is protected through careful handling. Technology refines what nature provides. Only verified materials move forward. Here, texture is engineered with precision. Flavor is captured, not forced. Preparation allows consistency at scale. Balance defines effective formulation. Now, the transformation truly begins. Consistency is shaped through controlled force. Air is removed to protect strength and stability. Smoothness is engineered, not assumed. Stability ensures repeatability. The formula is ready to move forward. Automation replaces guesswork with certainty. Precision begins before filling even starts. Exact volume defines trust.
Security is built into every unit.
Automation delivers consistency at scale.
Accuracy continues beyond filling. Every detail is verified.
Consistency is measured, not assumed.
presentation reflects discipline. Only approved units move forward. Quality begins with verification.
Every batch must prove itself. Safety and effectiveness are never compromised.
Durability is confirmed before release. Only validated products move forward.
Protection begins the moment the product is complete. Traceability secures accountability.
Scale is achieved through repetition without error.
Completion means readiness to serve. And this is how modern factories produce Sensodyne toothpaste from start to finish.